Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to give you a garden update for May 2017. This past semester was a tough one, but I made it out with all A's. So the garden didn't get much preparation and is looking sparse. We harvested around a bushel of onions this spring. With such a wet one, the onions didn't do as well as they usually would. But let's get into what's in the garden now. In our heavily mulched garden, we have an impressive row of celebrity tomatoes, already producing green fruit. I had not planned on having any squash or melons, but nature thought otherwise, and we have volunteer, butternut squash, and watermelons that I'm glad to see. Further along into the garden, we don't have any crops growing, so I have allowed this clover to act as a cover crop in the absence of any vegetables or fruit. The herb garden is doing very well. The rosemary and Mexican mint-marigold is as vigorous as I've ever seen it, while the Italian oregano is flowering and attracting bees and butterflies like crazy. And finally, one of my favorite herbs, lemon balm, is as tall and tasty as I've ever seen it. That wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. And don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.